Ladies, gentlemen, I present to you the cart. We bought this from that green hardware store. It was a pretty good price. It had claims of 500 kilos carrying capacity, but I thought this thing would be handy because it's real good articulation, real light. The thing just maneuvers so well. It's tippable. You can then, once it's tipped, you can also drag it just to help empty it out a bit more. It's, I'll admit, rugged, and the feature that's an added bonus, remove the pin, lower this down, turn it so you can see, and you've got yourself a little tow hitch. And as you can see, that's a fair bit of rubbish going up, and you'll also see a whole heap of sand. It was full to the brim with sand. That was heavy as. I wouldn't want to drag this thing around full like that for long periods, but it certainly did the trick, no problems. I've had it full of rocks, full of timber. Kids have had it full of timber. This thing is rugged, and I don't know what a tub full of sand is, but it's hard pressed to fill it. 500 kilos to be honest, but it carries a lot and it does the job well. I'm not here to sell it to you, I'm just here saying this thing impressed me. I mean, it is not heavy, it's rugged. The wheels are easy to get off, they're just pins on them. Simple to put together. It obviously has some sort of optional attachments for sides or something. Maybe that's a feature you can get in other countries, not here in Australia. So for anyone who's seen these or considering these, my experience so far, awesome. I really like it. So yeah, that's what you get for your money. It's simple, cheap, but effective. Thanks guys and gals. Till next time, stay easy, relax, enjoy life. Thank you for watching Oz Homesteading. Till next time. See ya.